Okay, I'm testing the iPhone. What's this? iPhone 7, is it? Not sure. Testing the what you call it. New position of my. God damn it! What do you call this thing? Fanny pack from the neck. A new position of the strap. Just did my business in DG store, not in the. I got stuck in the grid in my bicycle. In this DG store. Today is Sunday, 23rd of April, 11:34 a.m. Reloaded $20 because I'm going to pull up Perhentian and I don't have any internet, so putting $20 inside I can actually get a 1 month internet for I think $10. Now I need a charging cable. I used to buy charging cables like 4 ringgit one lightning cable from the Ipoh Garden South store. I forgot the name of, but they don't have any more. That means I have to find somewhere else to buy a charging cable, a cheap one, something who people don't give a shit about, and you lose it. Have a disposable cable. Is it a Mr. DIY here? Can check out the DIY. Don't see any signs for Mr. DIY. The only DIY that I do is something to do with my right hand and my center of gravity. Nope, I don't see any DIYs around here. Oh, I hope I don't have a puncher. God damn it. No puncher ke? If got puncher then I'm effed. So this iPhone 7, is it iPhone 7 or not? I'm not sure. My iPhone 11 has that spirit bubble that tells me whether it's shooting steady or the view is up or down. Can tell. Sometimes when I shoot, I don't see at all what the screen sees. The bad thing about putting the iPhone on my neck fanny pack is there's no center of gravity. Normally I have the monopod tripod that's makes the horizon steady. Makes the horizon steady as F. Of course I have to hold the goddamn monopod tripod, but I'm so lazy to hold it anymore. So I'm just like lazy Susaning it with my recording. Maybe I'll use a monopod tripod when I just go and walk around. You know, how I walk around. I always walk around. I mean, only use the tripod monopod when I go sightseeing, walking, and need to have a stable, watchable video. When I go into a restaurant, then I'll just like sembang, just put the camera into my fanny pack. Because I prefer to like walk around and shoot, and don't indicate to people that I'm shooting them when I'm holding the monopod tripod. Of course I look like a crazy person when I'm just talking to nothing. I don't have a Bluetooth earphone in my ear hole. Of course I can like emote that I have something in my ear by putting my finger into my ear hole. Today Sanma is open or not? Oh, not open, but yesterday it was so crazy about lunchtime. There were so many people. So I put already 20 ringgit inside my iPhone, but I can't go into the DG store because I don't have Wi-Fi, I don't have internet, so I have to go home and select the what call internet option, the 30-day internet option that costs maybe 10 ringgit, if the offer is still around from DG's own app. Kokoro kara aishita ita ita. What's the name of this store? I don't remember. Ninso, yep, Ninso. Too bad now Ninso does not sell some lightning cable. So when I go into like a store, it's nice to like just go around shooting. Of course I can't see what I'm shooting, unfortunately. Like a pretty girl in the Moon restaurant, just caught a few glimpses of her. Very pretty indeed. There it is. Data cable. $240, yeah, I hope. $240. Two cables I bought from here. They were faulty now because the iPhone says it does not recognize it. I had to try maybe 5 times to get a good connection. They don't have lightning. Oh no, now they have. What's a high-speed cable? What's this lightning? Data transmission? Bullshit. I don't believe that. I don't believe that at all. Yep, it's lightning. Hopefully it lasts longer. I don't think so. I have to buy 2. One for the motorcycle, one for home. What's this? Smart cable. Nylon. Does this last long or not? Smart data cable nylon. This is not, I don't know what cable this is. Maybe it's USB-C. Some quite weird. You can tell that I don't have an Android phone because I don't know what an USB-C looks like. Fast data. What is this? GP 3 volts. Is this what my mom wanted? She asked me one day whether I have any of these or not, but there's only one. I don't see any more, unfortunately. Oh, they have GP CR 2016. 2016. 240 maybe. Yeah, 240 for each. Oh, remember to actually come here to buy some of these things, batteries. 240. So charging cable maybe 240. Those disposable shit. Oh, what's this? Fast charging cable. Also lightning. What the name, might as well buy 3. Just try out the brands and see which one can last the longest. Because I don't think the fault lies in the iPhone, but I think it lies in the cable. No more lightnings around. No more lightnings. Great. Fast data. Oh my thighs are hurting. Lightning USB cable. So many types. Maybe buy 4. High speed cable, fast charging only, right? High speed data transmission, bullshit. I don't believe it has data transmission. It's bullshit. Don't lie. Transmission also bullshit. Liars. A load of bull. Okay, I'll just buy 3. Nice to know that they still have all these things. Maybe I forgot. I did not look at this. The last time was in Ninso. That it was here. Last time the data things were up around there. That's why I totally missed it. Oh, my thighs hurt. Any more shits? I need to buy some suspenders. Prefer the ones that are in a box that comes with 3. Because nowadays I'm going commando, so the old suspenders, the rubber has been dying. And they don't have any double-sided tapes. Double-sided tapes cost about $6. If I can get it for $240, that would be great. Ciao, ciao. Yeah. Oh, my thighs hurt. Oh my god. Is this how it feels to be old? Oh, my thighs. Ow, ow. Ow. Coconut bun. It's not heavy enough, this coconut bun. Normally it's RM1 one. $6.90. Where is it in all this packaging? Ah, why? Oh, thank you, thank you. 心すべて心から愛したいないでいつこのこの愛を待つのはないすべてIt was like listening to the J-pop from the 90s, and this is Luna Sea, not Luna Sea as in crazy. Luna Sea, what's the name of the song? I don't know, forgot. 心から愛したいないで5つ後の夢をあなたにかけないすべてGetting old sucks. It's not as the goddamn It's not the goddamn staircase. My thigh muscles locked up. Just imagine having to balance your body crazily using your toes so that you can glide. And why do I do that? It's because of the camera. I want it to be smooth. So I cannot walk like a Neanderthal with every thumping of my heels hitting the ground. It will make a shake that is bad for videoing. So I will tiptoeing like a ballerina, and that is bad for my thighs, bad for my toes, because it needs a bit of a lot of precision and it taxes the muscle. Ooh, nice girl thing. Nice bigu bresu. Bigu bresu is always goodo. Is it still recording? I'm not sure. No idea. Might be too hot and the recording has stopped. And I'm talking to the void. Kokoro kara. Oh, yep. Still recording. Kokoro kara. 愛したいだいで静つのの愛をやららららららすべて It's bloody hot. Let's go eat maybe here. Eat in Ipoh South, not so far away and not too many people. Because it's Luna Sea. Yesterday you saw that then L or LYJ, so many people. You saw in Chongqing Pop-Up Bazaar restaurant where my sister bought a lot of the Yong Tau food. So many people there. But yesterday was a jam. It's always a gem when I get to video pretty girls and go in the Moon restaurant. Wow, she is Ipoh Langloi. She'll get married very fast, very quickly. Kokoro kara愛したいだいて傷ついての心愛したいだいだすべて心から So nowadays I'm not going to go to KL because KL seems sucky. And I don't like to do like cosplay shit. Kind of sucky as well. Nothing interests me more than touching myself nowadays. Wow, it's a holiday, right? This second day of Hari Raya, Sunday. First day was, I think, Saturday. And Monday is a holiday. Tuesday I have to go to KL. And Thursday I have to go to, what, Pahang for the Pulau Perhentian trip. Never been to Pulau Perhentian, and hopefully it will be good. I'm worried about my legs. This type of phone camera on the neck is not so good for my body. So sayonara, bye bye. Test drive the data cables or charging lightning strings and whatnot. Hopefully it works well. Bye bye, see you next time.